Assalamu alaikum guys. This is Aisha Sim speaking. I am in 8th grade. I am here today presenting you mispronounced words and with correct pronunciation and easy style. It is honor of Inspire School which is presenting my 4th video in British sound. Continuously I need your big attention so that you may understand to a great extent. Let's move to the lesson. My topic name is mispronounced words. I have 15 words. My first word is G-A-U-G-E. We can read it in easy style, gauge, gauge. Its accurate pronunciation is gauge. My second word is D-E-B-U-T. In easy style, we can read it debut, debut. Its accurate pronunciation is debut. My third word is G-E-N-R-E. We can read it in easy style, genre, genre. Its accurate pronunciation is genre. My fourth word is M-A-U-V-E. We can read it in easy style, mauve, mauve. So its accurate pronunciation is mauve. My fifth word is N-U-P-T-I-A-L. In easy style, we can read it nuptial, nuptial. So its accurate pronunciation is nuptial. My sixth word is A-C-R-O-S-S. We can read it in easy style, across, across. So its correct pronunciation is across. My seventh word is H-E-I-N-O-U-S. In easy style, we can read it heinous, heinous. So its accurate pronunciation is heinous. My eighth word is F-I-G-U-R-E. In easy style, we can read it figure, figure. Its accurate pronunciation is figure. My ninth word is V-E-H-I-C-L-E. In easy style, we can read it vehicle, vehicle. Its accurate pronunciation is vehicle. My 10th word is E-P-I-T-O-M-E. In easy style, we can read it epitome, epitome. So its accurate pronunciation is epitome. My 11th word is D-E-S-S-E-R-T. In easy style, we can read it dessert, dessert. So its accurate pronunciation is dessert. My 12th word is S-O-U-T-H-E-R-N. In easy style, we can read it southern, southern. So its accurate pronunciation is southern. My 13th word is F-O-R-G-E-T. In easy style, we can read it forget, forget. So its accurate pronunciation is forget. So my second last word is C-H-A-O-C. In new style, we can read it chaos, chaos. Its accurate pronunciation is chaos. And my last and final word is C-A-C-H-E. In easy style, we can read it cash, cash. So its accurate pronunciation is cash. I hope you will have got this effort sufficiently. Thanks a million for watching my video.